Is your Xero profile showing the wrong location? Maybe it still lists your old office or a city that doesn't make sense for your business anymore. It's one of those little details that can confuse clients or just feel unprofessional. But here's the good news. You can fix it in under a minute with this simple update. Let me show you exactly how. I'll walk you through logging in, finding the location field, and saving your changes. Let's get started. So first things first, you need to log into Xero. Go ahead and head over to the Xero website and sign into your account. This part is straightforward, but make sure you're logging in as the user who has permission to edit the profile. If you're an admin, you're golden. If not, you might need to ask whoever manages your account to make the change for you. Once you're in, we're ready for the next step. Now, look up to the very top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon. It's usually your initials in a little circle or maybe a small picture of you if you've uploaded one. Click on that icon. This is your gateway to everything related to your personal account settings, so it's good to get familiar with it. A drop-down menu will pop up. From that menu, click on the option that says Profile. This is where all the details that represent you and your business live, so take a moment to look around if you haven't been here before. It's also where we'll find the location setting. All right, now scroll down the profile page until you see a section labeled Location. It might be sitting right under your contact information or your business name, depending on how your account is set up. If you don't spot it immediately, just keep scrolling a bit. It's there. Once you've found the location field, click on it. A drop-down list will appear showing all the different locations or regions you can choose from. This is where you select the correct place that represents your business. Maybe it's a specific city, a state, or even a country. Pick the one that makes the most sense for how your clients see you. And here's the really important part. Before you hit save, take a second to review the information you've just entered. Double-check that you've selected the right location. It's a small thing, but making sure it's accurate can save you from having to come back and fix it again later. Look at the rest of the profile while you're there, too. Is your email correct? Is your phone number up to date? This is a great moment to tidy everything up. When everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save button at the bottom of the page. That's it. Your new location is now live on your Xero profile. And just like that, you fixed it. Your profile now shows the correct location, so your clients and anyone else looking at your account will see the right information. No more confusion, no more outdated details. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more straightforward tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.